Hi, my name is Varsha Kolkar and I'm the product specialist for controls and indoor air quality at Lennox. Today, I'm excited to announce Lennox's newest addition to the IAQ lineup. This year, we're adding 4 new healthy climate filter cabinets to create true fit solutions for all our indoor units. Currently, Lennox has filter cabinets that are great matches for all our furnaces. Now we introduce to you filter cabinets perfectly designed to fit with all Lennox air handlers, which means you no longer need to add a transition to air handlers. This also means less cost, less time, and less installation errors for your technicians. Let's look at the unique features of our filter cabinets. Our filter cabinets are the only cabinets in the market with a unique collapsible design. Their snappable, toolless design makes them easy to assemble. The cabinet consists of 6 pieces which are perfectly engineered for quick and easy assembly. This high-quality pre-painted cold-rolled steel cabinet will withstand 400 pounds of static weight and can be assembled within 10 minutes. The space-friendly, collapsible design will help you store more equipment. Did you know you can store up to 3 healthy climate cabinets in the space needed for a single competitor filter? Save space on the back of trucks and in your warehouse and make healthy climate filter cabinets a part of every system sale. Let's have a look at the air handler and filter cabinet matchups. The CBA25 UHV 182430 will now have a new healthy climate 1022 cabinet and new matching 17x21 MERV 11 and Carbon Clean 16 filters. The CBA25 UHV 36, 42, 48, and 60 will have a new healthy climate 1922 cabinet and new matching 20x22 MERV 11 and Carbon Clean 16 filters. CBA27 UHE 1824 and CBA38 MV 1824 will have a new healthy climate cabinet 0821 and will match with already existing 20x20 MERV 11, 13, and Carbon Clean 16 filters. CBA27 UHE 3036 and CBA38 MV 3036 match with the existing healthy climate cabinet 1423 and will match with already existing 20x20 MERV 11, 13, and Carbon Clean 16 filters. Lastly, CBA27 UHE 42, 48, 60 and CBA38 MV 42, 48, and 60 will now have a new healthy climate cabinet 1925 and new matching 20x22 MERV 11 and Carbon Clean 16 filters. You can see that the new filter cabinet will have a MERV 11 option as well as a Carbon Clean 16 option. With this new lineup, you can offer the best air filtration in the market to all your homeowners, whether furnaces or air handlers. The Carbon Clean MERV 16 is the ultimate media air cleaner that reduces ozone, odors, and VOCs, and filters viruses, allergens, and germs. The benefits of adding a high-efficiency healthy climate filter are improved system efficiency, reduced pressure drop, and longer system life. To learn more and expand your Lennox Healthy Climate indoor air quality portfolio, talk to your local territory manager. Happy selling!